Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Swati here. I hope you guys are doing well and are safe. Today we'll be making a birthday slider card. I have pre-scored and cut a card base that is 6 x 6 inches and a card front slightly smaller than the card base. I have used the stitched border die at the edges to add some details. Now I'm stamping the cute elephant and the card image from Adorable Runner stamp set and the cake image from Make-A-Wish stamp set on a watercolor paper. I'm using my Misty tool to do the same. I have my images ready, stamped on a watercolor paper now. To color these images, I am smooshing the inks from various Tubby Craft stamp pads on a craft mat. These are water-friendly ink, so I can easily use them to color my images. This is a very good way to use your ink pads and stretch your supplies. If you don't have watercolors on hand, then you can use your ink pads to color your images. I am also using my thick clean markers for some parts. To color the images, you can go with basic coloring and give some shading in some parts, and your images are good to go. I'm almost done coloring all my images. Now I'll let them dry and then using my pair of scissors, I'll fuzzy cut them. I'll be stamping the decorative stamps from the Adorable Runner stamp sets now. I'm using my Misty tool because I'll be stamping more than once. I want each circle to be of different color, so I'm stamping them with one ink pad and removing the ink from the center or other parts. Once I stamp them with the light color, I re-ink the images using a darker color and then again stamp on the same image. This way I get two shades in one circle. Once I'm done stamping, I fuzzy cut all the decorative circles. To make my card front, I use blending brushes and my Tubby Crafts ink. I'm blending them horizontally, leaving some gap in between the colors. Now it's time to make the slider part. I mark the area where I want the sliding to happen. Using my finger knife, I cut that area. If you have a die, you can use the same. Time to stamp the sentiment now. I am stamping and here comes the cake from Adorable Runner stamp set. I use my Tubby Craft ink pad to stamp the sentiment. It's time to assemble everything together and stick the elements. elements on which our decorative circle pieces will hang. I'm deciding the layout for these decorative circle pieces. Once I've decided the position, I stick them using some glue. Using some strong glue, I'm sticking the slider elements at the back of my sliding images. Using some foam tape and glue, I mount the front panel onto the card. Before sticking the card to the panel, I sandwich the back papers of the sliding elements in between the card page and the front panel. These papers will help the sliding elements to slide in between these cut that we have done. I am adhering the panel to the card base now. Now these back papers can freely move. I will now stick my images to these papers. Wait for the adhesive to dry and a slider card is almost ready. Using a thread, I have joined the cart and the elephant, and it looks so cute as if the elephant is pulling the cart. Our slider card is ready now. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more such fun videos.